Welcome to the Fairmont Mont Tremblant in Quebec. I'm Jackie Prince, Chief Epic Officer of Prince Adventures Travel. Here's the breakfast buffet that we can treat you to complimentary as part of your Virtuoso perks. Here is a deluxe king bedroom with view. It's a room that we love to present for our travelers. It's spacious and has a Canadiana and rustic design. Here I show you the bathroom. It's a beautiful rain shower head, and all the products are provided complimentary: shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. Spacious bathroom area, nice lighting, and nice, fluffy, warm, comfy robes for you to enjoy during your stay. There's a little coffee bar area, and underneath that area there's also a mini fridge that's empty that you can stock with the drinks and snacks of your choice. It's a spacious living area with a large king-size bed, desk, and seating area if you want to entertain and have guests over. There's a full-length mirror, lots of lighting, and a large flat-screen TV. Ample storage for all your ski and summer gear. Look at the view. We have the lake. It's amazing. Obviously, we hope to welcome you one day at Fairmont Tremblant. And of course, ask for your complimentary Virtuoso amenities for booking with Prince Adventures at your service.